Welcome back to another K-Core Fort Myers online tour. Okay, today I have a different video. It's a very short video showing a preview of these 4 homes. All of these homes I already posted them before, but for the new subscribers and maybe for somebody that was interested on and maybe thought it was not active, I just want to let you know that these 4 listings right now currently they're all active. So just look at the video, you're going to see the preview on each home, and at the end of the video you will be able to select the home that you like and you could see the full video that I recorded earlier. Okay, so if you have any questions, also feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372, and I hope you enjoyed these videos and see you on the next one.